So Gulu just sent me their GP4000 jump starter to test it out. And this thing serves one very important purpose, but it also has a couple of really cool extra bonus features. So make sure you stick around through the whole video. Now the main purpose of this is a jump starter for your vehicle. So in a normal situation, if your vehicle, it doesn't want to start, what you have to do is you have to have jumper cables and you have to find somebody that's willing to help you to connect one end of the jumper cables to their vehicle and the other end to your vehicle to get your car started. Well, with this, you don't have to do that anymore. This has everything you need to be able to jump start your car yourself. So you can be out in the middle of nowhere and not have to worry about needing another person's vehicle to be able to get yours started. This is a 4,000 amp battery, so it's extremely strong. And what you do is you literally charge it inside like you would charge your phone. So now let's jump into how it actually works. So you'll plug your jumper cables directly into the port here on the side. Then you'll connect the red clamps to the positive terminal of your battery and then the black clamps to the negative side of your battery. And then the jump starter will just set off to the side. And how you know you have it hooked up correctly is this light right here will be green. If you have them hooked up backwards, then the light will be red. And if this light is flashing green, that means you may have it hooked up right, but the battery may be really low voltage. So you have a boost button here that's used to give it that extra jump that it may need. Then when everything's hooked up, you'll start your vehicle. Then once the vehicle's started, to remove everything, you'll unplug the jump starter first, then remove the black clamp from the negative, followed by the red clamp from the positive. So now let's talk about some bonus features. The main use of this is going to be for your vehicle, but it also doubles as a charger for your phone, computer, and stuff like that also, if you need it for that. You have two USB ports and a USB-C, and so you take your cord that is provided, plug it in, press the power button. I have my iPad here, and you can charge your devices. So that's just one of the features. And the other feature is that it also has an LED flashlight if you happen to be stuck out in the dark. And then when you're done using it, you can store it all away in this nice protective storage case. So like I said, the GP4000 could serve an extremely useful purpose. I hope that this video answered any questions that you may have had, and I'll see y'all next time.